Grammar Minute time, everybody. How are you? Today we're going to talk about another very important verb, to have, which is almost as important as the one we did recently, to be. Let's take a look at it. So the verb have is very important. It can be used in different ways. But first, let's look at the pattern. This is like almost all of the other verbs that we're going to see in the present tense. It's got a regular pattern where the third one is different. I have, you have, he, she, it has, and then we have, you all have, they have. And then in the past tense, it's pretty easy again. I had, you had, it's had all the way down. Okay, so not too difficult. We use it every day, probably dozens of times every day. But it's a very important verb because we can use it to say lots of different things. So, here are some of the things that we can do with it. We can have something like, I have $6 in my piggy bank, or she has two dogs and a cat. Do you have your homework? We had no time to go to the mall. Have dollars, have dogs, have homework, have time. Okay, so we can have plus a noun. We can also talk about things that we have done, like I have watched that movie 9 times. He has eaten pizza 3 days in a row. I have finished all of my chores. And we had left by the time you woke up. Okay? So have watched, have eaten, have done, have been, have finished. We can also use it to talk about things that we have to do. I have to do the dishes. I have to go to the dentist. I have to try hard. You have to try hard. It had to be finished by 10 o'clock. So, have to do. Very, very important, very useful. So, today we're going to work on Grammar Minute 23. It says circle the correct verb, have, has, or had in each sentence. It shouldn't take too long, but just be careful. And some of these will have more than one correct answer. Try to look for a key word of time, like we have today or now or yesterday. Okay, these will help you find the right answer, but some of these will have more than one answer. All right, boys and girls, that's it for today. When you're finished, please make sure this stays in your packet. Have a great day. The end.